going to make a little bullion knot on either side of this existing centre bullion knot to make another little bud like this one here. So I'm going to come up at the start of the knot with my Appleton's wool, and I'm going to go down where I want the knot to finish and hold the loop open. Don't pull the thread all the way through. Hold it open, come up again where we started, and I keep a hold of the back of the needle, and then I'm going to twist the Appleton's wool around, pushing it down until I've got the length of the bullion knot in my twists. I think another 4 more maybe. Push the threads down, that looks about right. I'm going to hold my needle very carefully. My threads are secure but not too tight so that the needle is able to slip between still. I'm going to hold all of those loops and very gently pull my needle through, keeping a hold of those wraps all the way through. And then there's a little triangle that forms here, and I'm just going to tweak those little wraps until I've got them all nicely slid and equally twisted and in position, and then put my needle back down where I want my bullion knot to finish. And there we have a lovely bullion knot. Now I'm going to come up on the other side and complete my little bud with another bullion knot. Position my knot around the centre, put my needle back down where I want it to finish, and there is the second one in place to make a nice little bullion bud. Thank you.